This video we have discussed about the range function. In this video we will talk about drawback of the range function. Let's get started. Range function have limited functionality. Range function only generate the sequential number. It does not able to generate the random number. Range function generate entire sequence of number in a memory which consume large number of memory. So memory uses is one of the drawback of the range function. It uses lots of memory. Range function is immutable. It means that once range object is created, its value cannot be changed. It lacks support for the floating point. Range function only generate a sequence of integer. It cannot be used to generate a floating point or other data. It is also one of the drawback of the range function. Cannot generate list for the range function. You have to use list constructor to convert data of the range to the list. We will discuss about it in our upcoming videos. The drawback we have discussed about range function you can see on your screen. Range function has drawback. What to do next? Oh Bholenath, so some way. Don't worry. In next video we are coming up with the solution of all the drawback of the range function.